If you have thought about buying a projector, here's why you should get one. This one I'm just borrowing for a little bit. Dog, look how big it is. It's huge. From my windowsill, which just looks like a dot, to this video, it's probably... Like, it goes all the way to over here, which y'all can't see, which I could probably, like, zoom in for, and apparently the battery's still low. Nice. It goes to, like, right here. I hate this, like, right here. It's just cool. Like, I could walk up to Tommy's face and be like, hey, I like your eyes. You look like eye. But, like, they also aren't really convenient since there's a shadow. But at least you got a big TV.